Before we get started, I want to be clear. Everything on this channel is for educational and personal growth purposes only. Nothing here should be considered financial advice. In Tuesday's after hours session, President Donald Trump announced an indefinite ceasefire with Iran, and markets reacted fast. No matter what you invest in, moments like this matter. Geopolitical shifts can change where money flows across the entire market. My name is Garrett. I am a finance major at WSU and an active stock and ETF trader. I started my first portfolio about a year ago and made it my goal to grow that portfolio to 7 figures. If you do want to follow me on my 7 figure journey, the wins, losses, and decisions, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Additionally, if you want to show extra support, go check out my Instagram channel where I post short form content daily. With this bullish shift in sentiment, I believe several stocks can begin pushing higher. Today, I am focusing on two diversification plays that I am watching closely: GLD and CCL, Gold and Carnival Cruise Line. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about GLD, gold. When we take a look at GLD's chart, it's quite obvious it got hit pretty hard with all of the geopolitical tension. But what is interesting is it seems it has built a base and is now beginning a nice upwards trend. For me, this is heavily important because I'm primarily invested in the tech space, and diversifying my portfolio by adding a holding of GLD is in my best interests. And it does keep me, a little extra safe in case, AI or tech has another sell off like it did a few months ago. And this is a little more personal because I really enjoy investing in things that I connect with. And individually, I'm a huge gold guy. I have gold chains, gold rings, gold bracelets. I only wear gold jewelry. I have gold diamond earrings in. And when I invest in stocks and companies that I really like their product, it makes investing that much more fun. So I love gold right now. Second, let's talk about Carnival Cruise Line, CCL. This is another stock I naturally gravitate towards. I'm a huge cruise guy. I love going on cruises. I love everything about cruises. I've been on several. And the thing with Carnival is it meets all of my criterias to invest in a stock. And likewise to gold, it makes investing fun. I love cruises, investing in a cruise line that is not just, a cruise line, but a high quality stock makes investing that much more enjoyable for me. When we take a look at CCL's chart, as you can see, they got hit pretty hard with the oil decrease, which makes sense. Huge boats, huge cruises require tons of oil. They're going on 7 day cruises, 10 day cruises, 16 day cruises. So, oil descending at such a rapid pace definitely caused a hit in the stock. But as geopolitical tensions eased and the price of oil began to descend, Carnival actually built a little base and is now beginning a nice upwards trend. And from a fundamental standpoint, like I previously said, it checks all the boxes that need to be checked in order for me to invest in a stock. When you look at the 1 year chart, it's upwards trending. It has a history of giving out dividends. It has a good PE ratio, and they actually have beaten on the last 4 earnings. So they are a positive earnings company. So altogether, this is a really good stock that I really want to invest in. In conclusion, the shift in geopolitical sentiment is creating opportunities across the entire market, which makes me believe it's a good time to diversify the portfolio and expand out of just the tech space. GLD and CCL are currently some of my favorite diversification stocks. I'm not out here chasing momentum or chasing the biggest win possible. What I'm trying to do is curate a high performing portfolio that outperforms the S&P 500 significantly. And in order for that to happen, I need my portfolio to be ascending despite the environment. And having some diversification stocks really helps with that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to show additional support, go check out my Instagram channel. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. Thank you.